Hello everyone and welcome to Sunsational. Today is going to be my very first time trying the ice cream maker that I got for my birthday, so a huge thank you to my family. And I'm going to start using this more often to try to make more dairy-free ice cream. So today I'm going to attempt to make a delicious oat milk amaretto flavored with cherry, dark cherry ice cream. So it's my first time, so let's just see how it comes out. So let's get started. All right, so let's just go through the ingredients real quick for this delicious amaretto ice cream. It does ask for 1 cup of milk, which I will be using Oatly full fat milk. Any non-dairy milk is fine, and if it says creamy or full fat, that will be the best option. It does ask for 2 cups of heavy cream. I don't have heavy cream and I couldn't find a non-dairy alternative, so we'll just see how it comes out. And it does ask for 1 cup of sugar and 1/4 cups of amaretto or any almond liquor. So I did choose Disaronno. I heard it's one of the best, so we'll just use 1/4 of a cup to give it that delicious amaretto flavor. My favorite ice cream in marble slab was amaretto, the amaretto flavored one, but it's non-dairy, so I need to start making my own. And then it does also ask for 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. Make sure it's pure, not the artificial one. And for 3 cups, although I might use less, of pitted and sliced red cherries, which are delicious. And we're actually going to add this towards the end of the process, which I'll show you guys step by step. And you're gonna need ice and some rock salt, which I didn't have, so I'll be using some coarse sea salt just to have the chemical reaction going in the bucket. So let's just go on and start with step 1, where we're going to mix the first set of ingredients. Step 1, in a mixing bowl, we'll combine the milk, cream, sugar, vanilla extract, and amaretto. So it does ask for 1 cup of milk, which I will be using Oatly. 1 cup of milk. All right, let's see. 1 cup of sugar. Okay, vanilla extract, we're going to add 2 teaspoons. The recipe has been the same since what, 1525. So I'm just going to do a little bit less, kind of 4. So we're going to blend that on low for 2 minutes until the sugar is dissolved. All right, so after doing the first set of mixture, now we're going to start using the ice cream maker. So the first thing was just to make sure that the canister has been frozen for at least 2 to 3 hours. We'll place that in the middle, place the mixture, and just assemble everything. And then around it's going to be lined with ice as well as rock salt. If you don't have rock salt, there's alternatives. Thankfully, I had sea salt, coarse salt. So hopefully this works. Let's give it a shot. And then I'm going to place this right here. The canister has to have been frozen 2 to 3 hours, and just take it out as soon as you're ready to use it. So let's pour in the mixture. All right, mixture is in the canister, and now I'm going to start assembling. So now I'm just adding the layers of ice and rock salt or the coarse salt, and you add it layer by layer until it goes all the way to the top, and that's what's going to create that reaction to help the ice cream to get that texture that we all know makes it oh so delicious, especially on a hot summer day. So let's continue here. Almost done. It's almost all the way to the top. I hope I have enough ice. All right, so before I connect it, everything is set. I'm gonna let it go for about 40-45 minutes, and 5 to 10 minutes before I disconnect, I'm going to add some chopped up dark cherries. So let's get this going. I should put that. It's scary. All right, so it's about that time. The ice cream has the right consistency. Right now it's a bit more of a soft serve, so if you want it a bit harder, you can put it in the freezer, but I just want to go ahead and try it because it looks really good. So let's go ahead and disassemble. All right. Oh my goodness, look at that. I don't know if you can see it, but here, look at that. Look at that. Gonna serve some here to taste. That's really good. We're here like we're all melting in sugar. No, this is really good. The amaretto is delicious. The combination of that with the cherries, really delicious. From 1 to 10, what would you give it? Art says 3, my mom says 10. Yeah. Art says he doesn't like cherries, but that it accentuates, it goes really well with the amaretto. And I agree. I've never tried it with cherries, but it's a really good combination. All right, thank you guys so much for watching, and eat some ice cream so you can beat the summer heat.